everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging a bit today. Kick off outfit of the day, what I wore, where you get a week of outfit ideas, you get PA weather, a little bit of life, and some puppies in there. I sure hope you stick around, hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. I'll also let you know during these videos what I kept during the week from my boxes. So it is Sunday morning. It's already warm outside, 71. It's not supposed to be too sunny today. That was yesterday. Yesterday was a really sunny day. It was pretty, but still warm, and I think the rain is coming later this afternoon. And I do have some videos to create for you, and it's been a busy weekend. My dad was back in the hospital yesterday, so that was my Saturday. He's back home again, but yeah, it's an ever-evolving situation. I think he's back to stable at the moment. And for my outfit today, I have on mica denim from Wantable. I have on a Z Supply top. For shoes, how about these comfy, cozy Sanuks? I love these with the leopard print. Got these a long time ago. In fact, I can't even find this exact shoe anymore, and they're so comfortable. I have a gold pair, and I have these, and I have a black pair, and they're like, these you can wear for everything. You could walk miles in them. You can travel in them. They just seem to be perfectly comfortable. Anyway, I'm not planning to walk miles today. Yeah, and for jewelry, I just have on a necklace from Curator. And that's my outfit today. All right, I usually do have furry sidekicks hang out with me, and they are not here, but I'm sure you're going to see them this week. So Loki, Dexter, and Willie. And I will catch you tomorrow with another outfit. Hey everybody, it is Monday, time for outfit of the day, and it's a chilly one today. So it's only a high of 69, it's about 64 right now. You can see no sun. It's trying to come out, but it's not making it. And for my outfit today, I have on a Vince Camuto top that I got in a Wantable, paired with a Loft skirt. And then I put on my scarf that I got from JB Stylebox. For shoes, how about these Dolce Vitas I just got in a Wantable. And for jewelry, I have on the necklace my husband got me and my bracelet stack. And that's it. All right, Dexter, here's something. I'll see you tomorrow with another outfit. Hey everybody, it is Tuesday, time for outfit of the day. I want to say hi, Dexy. The gang is all here, and it is 67 going up to 73 today, but you can see the sun's starting to come out. It looks nice. We're supposed to get lots of rain here coming up, so we'll see how that impacts the temperature. Hopefully it's nice for the weekend. And let's see, for my outfit today, I have on Dear John denim from a Wantable, Once Upon a Time. These are fairly old. Paired it with a blue and gray tank I got recently, and this little Z Supply topper here that I got at a boutique. For shoes, I put on my little clear Dolce Vitas. These are so easy to wear and put on. And they're comfortable. I wasn't sure about like the jelly because they're like that clear, but they're not bad. I like them. And then for jewelry, I just have on the necklace my husband got me. I have on a bracelet stack. And it's off to work I go. It's been a incredibly trying week. I don't think I mentioned it last week, but my dad was back in the hospital on Saturday. I think his blood, he's waking up with his blood sugar really low, which is causing him to behave abnormally. So he's confused, he's not waking up, he's not getting up when he should, so he's not getting anything to eat or drink, which to allow him to regulate his body. It's really becoming a thing. I've had to add more cameras in the home so I can talk to him through them, or so I can try to get him up and moving, because I can't be there all the time, right? So I'm working now on trying to get him more help. I don't think this is trending well, and I have to do something. I'd like to try to keep him in his home, but again, I'm not sure that I'll be able to. It's really becoming a difficult situation. So anyway, I know several of you had asked about my dad. It is an ever-evolving situation of moments of stability and moments of chaos, and they are frequently switching, So, all right, I'll catch you tomorrow. Hey, everybody. It is Thursday. Yes, it's Thursday. We missed Wednesday. But don't worry, I took a picture of the outfit. It's been a really stressful week. Very crazy with my dad. He's really been having a very difficult time in the morning, and it's caused a huge disruption to me, to my family, to him. It got so bad that I decided on Wednesday that he could no longer live at home by himself, and we needed to find a solution. So the temporary solution is that he's with me right now for a bit until I can figure out a permanent solution that makes him happy and where I feel he's safe and cared for, and where I think he really needs to get more interaction with people than he has been getting. And with my travel schedule and my family all works, it's not to be here all the time. And I do think I need someone to help make sure that they're around 24/7 to make sure that he is okay, taking his medicine, that his sugar isn't dropping, all the things. So I'm working through all of that. It is uncharted territory. I don't know what I'm doing, but we're going to figure it out, and hopefully in a few weeks I can get him situated and in a place where everybody feels good about it. It is so windy out here. Can you tell? Like, I haven't had a chance to come out all day, and I decided to come out now to do outfit of the day, and it is insane out here, right? The wind is just crazy, but it looks so pretty out. But the wind is nuts. It is 80 degrees today, and that is the high. I think it cools down after this, probably because of whatever's happening with this weather, right? All right, so let's try to catch up on what happened yesterday, which was Wednesday. My outfit was easy, quick and easy. My day was disrupted pretty much from the start of the day, so that's why I didn't get a chance to even film anything. I had work, I had meetings, plus I was dealing with my dad. So I had on a Armoire outfit, a DL 1961 shorts, and a sweater that was also from my last Armoire. I think my shoes were Dolce Vita, I believe. I'm trying to remember from yesterday now, but I'll put a picture up here and of course list it down below. My Stitch Fix also posted yesterday, and it was a really, really good one. I did keep 5 out of the 8 items. I returned the short sleeve gauzy top. I returned the Bella Doll shorts. They were just really expensive for what I think I would get out of them. And I returned the cut from the cloth Meg wide leg pant in the brown, the funky colors. But everything else I pinked. I loved the 2 dresses. The blue dress, I know people commented that it was see-through. It actually isn't. I had to look myself a couple times so that it kind of looked that way and how it was coming up on the camera. But it's fully lined, and I think the shadows between the mesh and the actual lining itself causes it to look that way. But I'm completely comfortable in it. I believe it was not see-through. I did 3 checks on it, so I did end up keeping. I really liked it. All right, and then today Tico's coming over to see you, so you may remember this is my dad's dog. He's freshly groomed from last Friday. Looks like he'll be living with me forever from now on out, doesn't it? It's looking that way because we need another dog. Why not? So you never know what life's going to throw you, right? You got to be able to weather the storms, right? I'm telling you. All right, so for today's outfit, I have on cut from the cloth shorts paired with a Z Supply tank. I got this tank at a boutique. I got the shorts straight from cut from the cloth. Willie is trying to take the ball what is he doing? You're trying to take something right out of Dexter's mouth. You're weird. My jacket is from Evereve, and I got it at Trendsen. For jewelry, the same jewelry I've been wearing, the necklace from my husband. I have on my bracelet stack, and my shoes are Dolce Vita today for sure. This little wedge. And that's it. That's a wrap. You're all caught up now. It's crazy. It's a crazy, crazy time for me. I hope you're all doing well and thriving, and I will see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Friday, time for outfit of the day. It is a little after 7. I have an appointment this morning I need to get to right away, so I thought I'd get this done early in the morning. And let's see, Friday Funny. I don't have a video for you. What I have for you is this. May be funny, may not be so funny, but If you see my cute little Z Supply shorts that I got last year, that I have a matching shirt and matching sweatshirt to go with, and now there is a Dexter size hole in it, mouth hole, that he has decided that they were worth eating. I can't fix that. So, I know that they're like 18 months old now, but the puppy chewing continues. C'est la vie, right? All right, and for my outfit today, on this beautiful day, it's going to get up to 74. It's 62 right now. I have on Liverpool cutoffs or Liverpool shorts from a Wantable, the Liverpool Wantable. I have on an L&A top from Evereve. My shoes are these adorable Sam Edelmans. How cute are these? And then for jewelry, I have no necklace on today because of my little cutouts, but I do have on a bracelet stack. This also came from Evereve, a Transcend. And that is my outfit today. We're almost at the weekend. I will see you tomorrow for one more outfit. Hey everybody, it is Saturday, time for final outfit of the day. Just after 8 a.m. The sun is out. I think it's going to be a relatively pretty day. It's supposed to get up to 75, so not too bad. My Wantable style edit posted today, and overall it was not a bad box. I had some sizing issues, unfortunately, and in the end I just kept the cutoff shorts by Lovervet to keep my styling credit. I'm not sure. What I haven't figured out yet is what happens to any cashback credits you have towards your next box, if they carry over or not, so I'm gonna have to watch that. But anyway, I just kept the one item. And for today's outfit, I have on cut from the cloth shorts from a Stitch Fix. I have on a Free People sweater, and I have on, these are by, Dolce Vita flip-flops. And that's it. I didn't even put jewelry on. I'm hoping to get a pool day today after I run some errands, so hopefully that happens. I'm exhausted, to be honest with you. You know, when you have parents that need assistance, it's really hard to get it for them if they don't have money, which my dad has nothing, and if they don't have medical assistance or not eligible for, he's over by $100, so he's not eligible for it. And yeah, and the limit's $22,000. Like, it's crazy a year. You have to be at $22,000 or below, and he's at $22,200. Like, what is happening? Or 22, yeah, something like that. Doesn't matter. He's just over. And so, and everyone says they'll help you, but they really don't. They don't help you. They just give you more numbers to call of people who can't help you. So I think it's going to take me a little while to navigate through all of this, and it has definitely wiped me out. I'm traveling next week, so we'll see what happens, but we'll get through it. We'll get through it. I will list all my outfits down below as always. If you, some of them came from boxes, so I'll list all the boxes down below as well. So if you want to check those out, they'll be down below. I'll link directly to items if I can, but I can't wait to hear what your favorite was this week. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, swipe to hype. If you have any elder care information to share with me, please put that down below as well. Thanks for hanging out with me. I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.